Tutorial number 2 for the LG television set. I'm going to turn it on. And we're looking at now favorites and how to bookmark favorites on the internet. And does it remember your login information? So we're going to hit the home button here to switch it between TV mode and internet mode. It's now in internet mode. You can see me waving the magic remote around. I'm going to select the web browser here by clicking in the round thing. When we go in there, it takes us to a list of, we have no control over this, the recommended sites. This is all advertising. You can ignore them. Down here on the bottom are places that we have visited in the past. The one on the right is an advertisement. We have no control over it. You can just ignore it. But these are the 4 most recent places I've been. This first one here, and again, you can see I'm moving this with the magic mouse. This first one here is actually the manual for the TV. So you can go read the TV, the manual, anytime you want. You can then hit the back button over here, or you can hit the X to close it. Alternatively, we could use the trackpad. Notice it takes us back to TV mode, which is the default. So if we want to go back on the internet, we hit the home button again to switch between TV mode and internet mode. So I'm coming down here to select the web browser, and I'm clicking on the select. We're in the web browser now. I want to go to Gmail. Hang on, I forgot to turn on my keyboard, so it's red, turning it to green. The keyboard is on now. So let's go to Gmail. Notice it was someplace we'd already been. Let's go back. And let's go someplace we haven't been yet, such as, let's go to wellsfargo.com. If we want to bookmark this, we come over here to this triple dot menu at the top right, and we can say add to bookmarks, and it will add it to the list of bookmarks. If we want to see the bookmarks, we hit the triple dot menu and say bookmarks. And these are the bookmarks we've already made. Unfortunately, it won't let you rename them. So this here is the manual. I'm sorry, that's not the manual. This one's the manual. That's Yahoo News, ABC News, Wells Fargo, but you can't rename them. You're stuck with the names they came up with. So if you want to get rid of something, like this one here, no, not that one, this one, you would highlight it, and then you would hit delete to delete that particular bookmark. So that bookmark is now deleted. Okay, so now let's go to that website that we bookmarked, and there's the manual. Again, we can close it, and we can exit it. I don't want to log into anything yet because I don't have your login information. Okay, and if we close out of the internet, it brings us back to TV mode, and it brings us back to the channel that we were on most recently, which happened to be the CNN channel, which is where I had left it last time.